Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 10th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I want to start with sun angle. So, December 21st, the highest the sun gets above the horizon is roughly 24 degrees. This weekend, we're going to be at 56 degrees, very similar to the last days of August. So, the sun is quite strong, and you can get burned pretty easily. So, you need to be using the sunscreen. I was putting mine on yesterday just outside for about a half hour, doing a little bit of raking. And, you definitely want it on hands, face, legs, whatever is exposed to the sun. You can also, be out there for, 15, 20 minutes or something without any sunscreen if you want to get a little bit of exposure to the sun. But in general, sunscreen is important. So today, we're going to be in the mid 60s with sunshine. A little front comes through tonight with a sprinkle. And then over the weekend, we may see a few clouds tomorrow morning. We're up near 60 in the afternoon with sunny skies, near 60 on Sunday with sunny skies. Warm front comes through Monday, maybe a sprinkle up near 70. And then we're near 80 on Tuesday. Remains to be seen if Boston gets to the 80 or not. We'll have to see if a sea breeze kicks in. And then back to the 70s thereafter. The Cape and the Islands, you will not be that warm. Have a great weekend, everybody.